Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everybody, you don't know how this already. At the Skilla, new year, new times, new things. You see me I say? And we really and truly want to come bring some things to you people, you know, make you see what going on. You see me? First of all, I have to apologize for the whole holiday. I barely been around because of the whole vacation and the whole publishing, you know, because I am a publisher and also a blogger, and also an entertainer. So I was booked for a portion of show throughout the whole of Jamaica. I've been from through Portland and so forth. You see me I say? But before we get into that, I want to show you a few clips, you know, a top 5 funny moments in dancehall and the party. You know what I mean? Then I'll give you the rest of what I have to say about me and so on. You know what I mean? So I want to say big up to everybody and take a look at this. Observe. So there you have it, the top 5, you know, funny moments according to me, Dancehall Skilla, within the dancehall and party, right there. So may I say, in my view, I find like about maybe say 3 of them very dangerous, you know, something that I wouldn't do. You know what I mean? I wouldn't advise nobody to do it, you know. So let me know what you think about those videos that I just bring to you, my viewers, isn't it? Alright, here's the thing now. I really want to apologize for not being around for the seasons, you know, especially from the Christmas straight through to the New Year, you know. I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas. It is belated now, so it's a belated wish of Merry Christmas. But definitely wishing you all a Happy New Year. Should have been wishing you all this from the eve and on the 1st, you know. But I really want to wish you, all of the YouTube community, yeah, a Happy New Year. Even the world too. Wishing them a Happy New Year, isn't it? So I come home, you know, I come home to a portion of email and WhatsApp texts and these things telling me that a whole heap of things change, a whole heap of things are happening weird, you know. For instance, like them said, the Montego Bay state of emergency thing where they have the police presence with soldiers and so forth, that's lifted. You know, are going to lift. I'm not sure exactly right now, but you know, need to give a review on that. You understand what I'm saying? I know that some people are going to feel afraid because things have been good and calm within that place since that whole state of emergency thing have gone for so many months. You know what I mean? But yeah, let's look into that in a future date. All right, and then now we get to understand as of the 1st of January, yeah, which is yesterday, because today the 2nd. Plastic bags are banned. Yeah, that's another thing I have to look into, you know. So for you, my viewers that come and tell me all these things, you know what I mean, and asking me to give you more information on what going on and so forth, yeah, I will look into these things. I definitely will look into these things, and I know that you, my viewers, want me to let other people aware of what's going on, because I know that a lot of people don't know that plastic bags are banned. All right, so that's for a later date. But for right now, top 5 videos, that is one thing I really want to show you, because believe me, when me see these things, me I laugh. Me not stop laugh, you know what I mean? Yes, when the party fans them come and say, yo, look on this skill and do this to the skill and me just can't stop laugh, because really and truly, yo, them dance the crazy crazy. Me don't know if I the alcohol them drink or what happened, you know, and you just busting at them head. Don't get me wrong, you know, the lady will see go up and I try to do her thing and dance. Trust me, I tell her, don't feel no way about that, because guess what? That is all in fun. That right there that happened is all in fun. And it's not like you're ugly. You're a beautiful woman. So I'm saying this to you. Please don't feel no way about what happened on that stage. That could have happened to anybody. Alright? It's just clothes. It's just material. Alright? So big up yourself. To be honest, if you really check into it, there's a lot of guys that really like what happened, you know, because their eyes are like, you're looking at certain things. You understand? Anyways, Happy New Year to all my viewers, all the people in the world. Big up on yourself. You know me, Dancehall Skilla. That's my name. Dancehall Skilla is my name. Yeah, as the blogger or even more. You know what I mean? And if you need to know anything more, you know, just like I said, read the subscription to contact me, so forth and so on. If you're new to my channel, you need to click the subscribe button to stay up to date, to see what's going on in and around the whole world. If you don't mind, sharp throughout the universe. You understand? Yeah. Alright, remember, click that subscribe button to stay up to date with the Dancehall Skilla channel. You understand what I'm saying? My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.